How to use Snapchat Lens Studio feature. To use the Snapchat Lens Studio feature, first of all, you have to visit the official Snapchat Lens Studio website on your computer. Go ahead and open any web browser of your choice, then tap on that search bar. Now you simply have to type Snapchat Lens Studio. Once you find the official website itself, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on it, and from there proceed to download and install the software for macOS or Windows. Once you do this, you simply have to now launch the Lens Studio and log in using your personal Snapchat account credentials. Once you do this, your desktop creation workspace will be directly linked to your mobile application for instant live testing. Now you simply have to select the templates if you are beginners, and you can also customize assets and trackings. You can test the lens on your phones lastly and publish your lens to the Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.